Welcome to the installation video for our PSB 660. Note the tapered angle on one end of the sleeve. The same tapered sleeve is on the PSB bush. Remove the sleeve from the new PSB bush and insert the bush into the bracket as shown. This can be done using a press or otherwise a bench vise. Before inserting the sleeve, make sure to lubricate with the silicone lubricant that we supply the inner part of the bushing. Insert the sleeve with the flat end of the sleeve being on the indented side of the bush and the tapered end of the sleeve being on the flat side of the bush. Refit the bracket containing the new bushing as shown here. And there you have our fitted PSB 660 bushing. Thanks for checking out our PSB installation video. We'll regularly be sharing these simple videos showcasing the different parts we have available. Please subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see a bit more. Otherwise, like or just drop us a comment. And if you want to purchase any of the parts you have seen, our online store for both Europe and North America are in the description below. Thanks again for watching.